All right, so here's how to make this easy Traeger smoked mac and cheese. The first thing you need to do is to boil your pasta noodles to al dente, or maybe a minute shy of their done time. And then you make the roux, and all this means is that you add some butter to a large cast iron skillet that's on medium-high temperature on the stove. Once it's melted, add in some flour and stir it regularly. This is gonna make the thick sauce base. So when the roux starts to bubble, you turn the burner down to medium heat and you continue stirring, like don't leave it to sit at all until the mixture is smooth, and that's ready in about 5 to 7 minutes. And then it's time to add the mustard, and then while you're whisking in the mustard, you could also slowly pour in heavy cream. And once it comes up to a boil, you turn the stove down to medium-low to get a little simmer going, and you can add in your milk and whisk it until smooth and creamy. It basically is like the consistency of smooth pancake batter when it's time to add in the cheese and the noodles. And so this is a pretty large cast iron skillet, and I was able to add it all in here, but at times it honestly doesn't look like it's gonna fit. But anyways, so then you mix in your cream cheese and all of your grated cheeses. I use cheddar, gruyere, and gouda cheese in this smoked mac and cheese. You could always just use more cheddar if you don't want to use gruyere, but that gouda is so good in smoker mac and cheese. So you just combine them all. It's gonna melt in there, and once it's fully melted in, it's time to add your cooked pasta to the smoked mac and cheese sauce. Just fit it all in there as you can, and then you head over and you whip up the crispy bread topping. So for this bread topping, you use some melted butter and any barbecue rub or seasoning that you'd like. Using a different seasoning really gives you the opportunity to play with the flavors of your smoked mac and cheese. So like classic barbecue sauce is good, blackening season's good, a little Old Bay, like you can really play with the flavors. And then you add in your panko crumbs, and this is gonna get that golden crispy brown coating on the top that's nice and crispy and crunchy. So you just add it on top of the cooked pasta in the cheese sauce, and then it's time to head out to the smoker grill. So smoked mac and cheese cooks at 225 degrees Fahrenheit, and it's ready in about an hour. But at the hour mark, it's smoky and integrated and cheesy, and the panko topping is fully cooked. But you could leave it in the smoker for 2 hours if you want it to get super smoky. Look at it fall off this spoon. I can't even right now. My toddler loves this. I think it's his favorite smoker meal. Here you see we're serving it just with some smoked meatloaf. That recipe is coming soon to Sip Bite to Go, but I have plenty of other recipes that you could make with this there already, like smoked tri-tip would be delicious. Well, until next time, I hope you have a wonderful and delicious day, and you can print out all the recipe steps at Sip Bite to Go. Cheers!